At Compair, we believe in a world without material waste. Human beings like you or me are able to live for 80 years, but most of the products we use every day last only a few years. This is a paradox now. And for us, that's exactly how it started, being inspired by nature to extend the lifetime of composite applications. Composite materials are applied to many industries thanks to their lightweight properties. They can be made of glass, carbon, or natural fibers embedded in a resin to create structural components. These materials are typically used into sports, marine, wind, aerospace, and space applications. Even though they are very great, there is a big issue during their lifetime. Small cracks that grow more and more until catastrophic failure. And this is a global problem. Because on one side, people start to repair such kind of damage, and this costs $17 billion per year. But not only that. For many applications, people just replace parts, generating a very high amount of waste that for 90% of them are not recycled. This raises big question of lifetime management as well as sustainability. And with Compair, we are bringing the solution to reduce maintenance costs while having a positive impact on the environment. Our solution? Those textiles that are pre-impregnated with our magic chemistry. We sell those to part manufacturers and OEMs for them to manufacture full composite parts, hockey sticks, boat parts, or space structures, for example. And these have new functionalities. An ultra-fast and efficient repair, as well as an efficient recycling. To demonstrate our technology, we manufacture several demonstrators, but specifically that one, which is typical of the aerospace industry. We impacted it, and in the middle of your screen, you can see a typical damage. For you, it might be just a small spot, but for the industry, this is already critical, and people will spend many hours to repair it. With our solution, this is simple. You come with a heat gun at 150 degrees for 1 minute, and it's done. You recover all the initial mechanical properties. The beauty of this technology is that we can extend our product portfolio to best meet the market needs. With Compair, we can touch the entire composite industry. We have now an industrialized product, the Hilltech series, that has been shipped to the first client into the marine and sports industries. And we are currently fundraising to secure our market penetration. In parallel, we integrated the ESABIC Switzerland Startup Incubation Program, during which we had the opportunity to get the first compatibility assessment of our products for space-related applications. Our vision at Compair is to provide full circularity to the composite industry by allowing efficient repair and recycling. Such circular economy model has demonstrated the potential to save up to 50% of composite resources, which is totally in line with the UN Sustainable Development Goals 12 and 13. My name is Amael Coad, I'm CEO of Compair, and this development directly follows my PhD thesis. Together with the incredible Compair team, we are the perfect combination to succeed and make a large impact with this technology on the market. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Amael. And now we have one question from Rafael.
Yeah, hi, thanks for the presentation. So I was wondering, I understood the entire industry is 90 billion size, the repairs are 17 billion, but what do you think the market size for your product service will be in the end?
Yeah, thanks a lot for the question. So if we consider the entire globally, the composite industry and the level of the value chain we are at, this is more or less $8 billion potential in here for specifically the product that we have now onto the market. Now, if you look at composite materials specifically for space application, this is between 1.5 and 2, because in value this is quite tremendous.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mel. Do we have any other questions from the jury? Okay, Damien.
One more for me, Damien Moschetti from Workspace. Just curious about the certifications, you know, for such kind of application, space and aeronautic. There is certification which is mandatory. How far are you, and have you already proceeded with that? So basically, are you ready to be on the market, or is it on the roadmap?
Yes, thanks a lot for the question. This is a long way to go, and this is for sure, and this we are aware of it. This is why I'm not hiding the fact that our first markets are marine and sports. but this is also one of our strategy to go in parallel. And specifically, thanks to the ESABIC program, we could get first testing, especially at the end of this summer. We got the first outgassing test. Our material passed entirely all the outgassing tests that we did by an external party. On top of that, we manufacture composites with high performance carbon fibers that are typically used in the space industry. And again, here we got mechanical properties validation or testing by third parties. It was by the Fraunhofer Institute in Germany. So that's first hints of what we can do. And then once we have all the green lights, then we will go for the certification. And of course, this will take time, but this was the first step for us.